Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Madam Claus. And it's part 3 of riding our bikes. Hey, what are you trying to do here? Okay, looks like we're in Knox Street. Okay, Miss Dad, at the stop sign, we're gonna turn left. We're gonna turn left, Miss Dad. We're gonna turn left. Left. Hawes Avenue. Washington Street. Ha! Ha! Oh. Hold on, Bested. Stop for a second. Maybe the tag was distracting me. Okay, we can go now. I already fixed my stuff. Wait. Okay. For now, we need to go. I think they need to. You don't need to. We don't think it works. Ha! That's what I'm talking about, Papa. Stop, drop, rock. Do you see that? They're getting it. These pups are legit. West Rich Alley. Excuse me. I think they need to. You guys need to. Ha! Okay. We're gonna turn this way. Chop, jump, and run.
Come on. It's all right.
Oh.
You gotta wait now.
Okay. Let's go! Go! Boo! Don't get stepped on! I've got the feeling what else I can squash you? What kind of eyeless monster stepped on an ice kiss? Do you like this line? Yes! Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, sidecar! I know it. Excuse me. Have a nice day. Next. Ah, turn left. Whoa! Okay. Boo! I got the feeling, man. You got it, so I can squash you. You gotta be kidding me! Of sucker! Oh no! Now they're closing! No! I know the rules. Stop. This time, I'm gonna stop this time right now.
Hey. Stay here. Gotta wait for the
Okay, you got it.
sun. Tilt that camera up. Yeah.
Where did it go? No pressing on the end. Yes! Whoa, 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 Max! Ah! This is a long train. Jeez! Okay, looks like the train just already passed. I think they need a break. That's what I'm talking about, Bubbles. Look, it's going up.
Yo, get up the street.
Whoa. Ah,
Remember, stay on the curb. You understand?
Yeah.
You follow me.
okay.
What?
Wait.
We're not gonna ride far.
Yeah.
Remember, stay on the crosswalk. Push your glasses up.
Huh?
Yeah, push them back like that. Yeah.
Stop driving rock.
Wait. Wait to cross Markley at Main.
Markley Street.
Wait.
On three. 1, 2, 3.
Wait. Wait to cross Markley at Main. Wait.
Ugh.
Gotta wait.
Yeah.
Chili can't die here. Don't make that noise. Gotta wait.
This is perfect.
All right, good.
Perfect timing. Wow.
Markley.
Come on.
What thing is under drop? Markley.
All right.
Chickens! Boo! Don't Gotcha! Go! Gotta love it. It's nothing like a day like slow. Yes! Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What's going on? Best Dad! I saw you fell behind that lamppost. Are you okay?
Yeah,
Did you hurt yourself?
a little bit.
What part of your body did you hit?
My hand. My hand.
Hmm.
Right here, it's red right here.
Looks like that's swollen.
All right, come
It's
on.
gonna have to heal soon. Well, glad you're okay, Best Dad. We'll just keep moving. Man, these witties. Best Dad fell. I don't know why. Your chain came off? Oh no! Oh no! This can't be right. Okay. Ugh. Get back here! Green means go! Blue means go. 4, 3, 2, 1. No.
All right, no cross over. Come on. Come on.
Are you sure?
Go ahead.
Okay.
That's a good look, bro.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm a promo dog wants a rematch. Why won't you take a punch while that? Why? Judge your attitude. Whoa. Whoa! I'm paying attention.
Hold on, shit.
Whoa! No! I'm not there for babysitting! Ah, we were so close to the green light. Uh-oh. Let's go! Green light! Green means go! Alright! Ba 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 ba. Hey, Liberty! Green feet! No! Someone should take away his license. Oh no, excuse me. I think I'm not gonna let you take BC, but I'm not gonna let you take me. A block shot. Ah! Almost there.
All right, where you going?
Oh,
Hey,
Yeah.
talk. You gotta talk.
Wait.
Tell me what you're gonna do. You can't stop like that.
yeah,
Going
sorry.
up there? Never.
Yeah,
Which way you going?
we're going this way. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. Come on, sweetheart.
Press the go.
Come on, button.
Cool. Stop turn. Just wait.
This is a long one.
All right. All right, go ahead.
Oh. Carson Alley. Oh no! I'm closing eye on the cuts. Got it. Oh, there it is. You can cross now. Go! Clay Alley! Excuse me. Excuse me. Coming through. Excuse me. Coming through. Have a nice day. Here we go. Go, Webs, go. Wow. It's funny. Apple Tree Alley. Okay, let's go. Spidey and sing friends. Go, Webs, go. Hey, how you doing?
Come on. Good, good. Come on. Going up. Go ahead.
Looks like you're doing this the old-fashioned way.
Come on.
Oh, sorry. Oh no! That was a close one. Sorry. That was a close one. Let's go. Bud Alley. Oh. Tomatos. Hey!
Keep going. Stay on the car. Come on. You going up?
Yep.
Turn around. Pay attention.
Turn around.
Yeah, look forward. That's what I mean. Come over here. Come on this side. Go straight. You gotta get on the sidewalk pretty soon. All right, go up on the sidewalk this way. Go.
102. 104. How's your bike doing? That's why we shouldn't have gone on this bike before your bike turns out good. Crapola. But this time we're going on East Sprouts. Whoa!
Where you going?
Okay, let's go. Doop doop. Oh, that door's closed. Ah, I said break.
But you didn't.
This door is locked.
Yeah, the house is abandoned.
Oh, why? Why, Bill?
I don't know. Something happened.
Yeah, something weird happened. Whenever I lose my cutter, I'll just yell for help. Ah. You're welcome. Whenever you lose your cutter, just yell back. Okay, Marshall, you can turn off your water cannons. Ow. Oh, no. Is there any button on there?
Wait.
I don't think that's an earthquake. Well. If it's my old friends, the Paw Patrol, from dinner, it must be different than I remembered. I'm stuck. Wah! Gotcha. Go! I got the baby motherfucker. Hold still so I can squash you. Get out of the way! Yo! What kind of heartless thing cost an ice cream truck? It was abandoned. The city was so big and I was so small. Beep, beep, beep.
We're good.
You was very scared that last time. That's where you broke him? Yeah. This is the year that I brought him to Adventure Bay, but he didn't want it to do. Hancock! Norristown Hancock?
Yep. Elementary school.
Yeah.
That's the school you're supposed to be going to.
Huh?
Your home school.
What?
You're supposed to go to Hancock after when you left
Muscle Man.
Musselman. Yeah.
Arch Street.
You want to check it out?
Now.
Okay.
Pop. There's abandoned bunnies that pop. Mighty Pups are on a roll. No, I'm not here for next move.